Hey everyone, welcome back to the Microsoft 365 Copilot Connection. My name is Nick Harris and I am a Senior Copilot Cloud Solution Architect with Microsoft. Today we're going to get right on into it, just a short and easy one for all of you. I use Copilot all the time to create business use case scenarios for various audiences of people to showcase how they can leverage Microsoft 365 Copilot. So today I want to share that prompt with all of you. Let's hop right on in. Now, before I actually submit this prompt, I just want to show it outside of the Copilot experience to make it easier to review. What I'm doing here is I'm writing figurative business use case scenarios, and this is where I can make modifications. I like to create template prompts all the time that you can directly insert fillable information. Either you can fill the information in, or you can have Copilot fill the information in. In this case, you can see I'm basing on a particular industry, but I'm going to change that. I'm going to change it to focus on a particular company, and then I'm also going to update the information to insert a specific job role. So with that, I want Copilot to then insert additional details. For the particular job role I provide, Copilot is going to fill in the type of job role tasks that that individual may perform. It's going to provide a sample prompt for me aligned to that job role and job task. It's going to include success criteria in the following format. I'll know this is successful when, and then insert the criteria. And then it's also going to provide a value statement on how Copilot provides value for the business user overall. So let's go ahead and modify this just a little bit and see what it gives us. Now, as mentioned before, we all really want to understand how Copilot can impact our workloads, and this prompt can help us ideate. What we can do in this particular case is we could fill in our own particular role, or we could fill in the role of another individual to understand how they may be impacted by Copilot as well. In this case, I have focused on Microsoft Corporation, and for the particular role, we have marketing specialist. And so I want Copilot to adhere a job role task to a marketing specialist role for my org to see what it gives me back. Let's review the output. So as someone in the marketing specialist role, I want to create a comprehensive social media campaign to promote the latest features of Microsoft Teams. I then receive a sample prompt. Hey Copilot, I need to create a social media campaign to promote the latest features in Microsoft Teams. Can you help me draft engaging posts for LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook? Also generate a content calendar for the next month, including key dates and times for posting. I then have some success criteria as well. I know this will be successful when the post receives high engagement, the campaign drives increased traffic, there's a noticeable uptick in user signups, and the content calendar is well organized. We could, of course, modify these if we want, but there are sample starting criteria that we could leverage as we move forward. We then identify the value. Time saved. We can see that it significantly reduces the time spent on drafting and scheduling posts, potentially saving several hours per week. We also have additional value criteria for enhanced creativity, consistency, data-driven insights, and efficiency. And this, as mentioned, is always a starting point. What I can then do from here is I can copy out this prompt, start a new conversation, and let's submit it off to see what it gives us. Now we see the same prompt that we had copied and the output derived from that prompt. We are provided a sample LinkedIn post, a sample Twitter post, a sample Facebook post, and an overall content calendar on when we could drive those posts across social media platforms. As mentioned, as always, this is a first draft. You are the decider. You have to ensure that you align to your own expectations, but you can leverage this as an initial starting point. Maybe you don't like the initial content or material that's been provided here. Well, you can just ask it to create you more. And now you see here, create an additional set of social media posts across each of the social media platforms aligned above. And now we have 3 additional social media posts. I could continue to do this all day. I can have Copilot ideate for me, create a lot of content, and then take that content and manage it in the way that I require. You can align your own role or other roles within your organization, target your organization, target an industry, target a particular persona of work. Take the prompt and modify it to your needs. There's many different creative ways that you can use this. So that's all from me for today, everyone. Thank you all so much for your time. We'll see you in the next one. Have a good one, everybody.